Proposed Substitute House Bill 2279, which is H-Draft 3511.1, deals with the availability of information and materials for independent repair of digital electronic products.
Our slogan is really that you have the right to repair, not to modify, but there's simply other things involved in the bill, such as embedded code that is proprietary, as you mentioned, and I think those are concerns for not only the equipment dealers but also the manufacturers.
Code isn't scary to me. I see code all day in my life, and it's really nothing more than when I was working under my Impala's hood and working on a carburetor or trying to juice something up with it. The biggest gains in IT have come from people that have open sourced their code, that have allowed other people to come tinker with it and create new innovation that then other companies that are more established end up taking and rocketing it up because they've got the financial wherewithal to do it. But when you stifle that, you really get a corporate dominated scenario that says based off of budgets you can only develop one way, and you prohibit any American innovation to really come into the field, which is really what happened if you think about back in the 1950s, the 1960s, when people really started to get into the hoods of the cars. Look at what innovations we really had. I believe it's one of the things that really stifles our ability to see innovation in green energy or any type of thing, because we've really stifled the ability for the average American to get in and show us their brilliance